doesn't matter if you're working hard on a construction site, supervising road maintenance on a busy highway, or searching for the best tools for your massive engineering project. There are a lot of tools and equipment available to make any task more efficient and safer. And we're not just talking about screwdrivers, calipers, and hammers. No, today we're going to be showing you 10 amazing engineering equipment that are on another level. Number 10. The Large Hadron Collider. The Large Hadron Collider is the biggest machine that has ever been built by humans. Yes, that's right. This collider, which is the largest and most powerful particle accelerator in the world, is located at the CERN Laboratory for European Particle Physics in Switzerland and was built to study the smallest of things in subatomic particles. And according to the CERN and LHC fact sheet, the LHC is a particle accelerator that increases subatomic particles' energy to extremely high levels in a controlled manner, so that researchers may examine the interactions that follow. Did you also know that one of the greatest and most significant scientific discoveries of the 20th century, the discovery of the Higgs boson, was made possible by this Large Hadron Collider? We have discovered findings that have advanced our understanding of how the universe functions as a result of this machine. Number 2. Bagger 288. The Bagger 288 giant bucket wheel excavator is one of the biggest land vehicles on the planet. This massive excavator, built by the German company Krupp, is powerful enough to excavate an entire city. The pebbles or soil are removed from the buckets by the vehicle's 4 conveyor belts, and the materials are subsequently moved by the vehicle at a speed of 11 miles per hour. Each belt is 10.5 feet wide, and they can easily move a smart car because of their width. One of the most remarkable facts about this tire is that its 8,600 square feet of tread can easily maintain its 13,000 tons of weight. This enormous vehicle is powered by 5,600 feet of electrical lines, which is equivalent to the electricity used by a city of 20,000 residents. The car was painted with 88,000 pounds of paint, and the device consists of 2 148-foot-tall pylons and 72 18 feet of steel suspension cables. This machine will definitely make digging fun and swift. Number 3. Bertha. Have you heard about the world's biggest tunnel boring machine, called Bertha? This machine has a total length of 300 feet and a height of 5 stories, so it towers over any of its rivals. Even the second largest bore in the world could fit easily within its 17.5-meter diameter, but the massive 7,000-ton equipment must be transferred between work locations. Bertha has a special pre-programmed song for the use of the operators and people watching the tunnel borer. Interesting, right? Just to help operators stay informed of the machine's activities. The massive erector really plays a different musical melody for each function. It's not easy to be called the biggest bore in the world, but in order to get where it is today, Bertha has plowed through more than 7,000 feet of rock, muck, sand, clay, water, and whatever else was in its path. However, that's not all. We all know that Bertha is underground, but did you also know it is underwater? There's no doubt Bertha is a gigantic engineering marvel in both the literal and figurative senses. Number 4. The Tyson Cranes. This crane is a true monster machine. You'd agree that when you're trying to build something big, you'll unavoidably require something equally large to aid in the movement of its components. It's not a good crane if it can't lift every single pound of steel when you're constructing. With a payload capacity above 20,000 metric tons, this crane is regarded as the strongest in the entire globe. This gigantic fixed dual-beam gantry crane, known as Tyson, which is the biggest crane in the world, has lifted a record-breaking 20,133 metric tons. This record broke the previous 2 it held, which were 17,114,000 tons. Number 5. The NASA Crawler Transporter. The NASA Crawler Transporter is an amazing design. It was built to transport rockets and spacecraft worth billions of dollars and is the largest self-powered vehicle ever constructed. NASA has been transporting rockets and space shuttles across a 6.4-kilometer 4-mile stretch to the launch pad at Kennedy Space Center in Florida for more than 50 years using crawler transporters. It is primarily designed to support a lot of weight, and even though the crawler isn't made for speed, 6.4 kilometers can be traveled at a speed of 1.6 kilometers/a in more than 11 hours. And it has a big job coming up, which is to move the Space Launch System, SLS, which will be used to send people to the moon. Number 6. LeTourneau L2350. The biggest front-end loader in the entire world, is the Literneu L2350. This magnificent machine holds the Guinness World Record for the largest earth mover ever, and it is produced by the American machinery company Literneu. Incorporated, the L2350 has a lift height of 24 feet and a reach of 11.5 feet, and it is designed to center load haul trucks with capacities of up to 400 tons. Cool, right? Which other equipment do you think we should have added to the list? Let us know down in the comments section.